It's a room full of purple and black. Weslaco High and Weslaco East are set to battle in Tinaco Bowl number 9. The student athletes proudly sport their school colors. But for now, they are at Weslaco City Hall together to celebrate the big game with a breakfast.
It's a good thing for the Weslaco to come back together, you know. I'm really thankful for Weslaco, you know, the district, to bring East and High together.
I think this brings us as a team and also as a family. This was actually really important for us to have.
I am as neutral as possible, right? I go team
The message
Weslaco.
is clear.
But again, I just wanna
Weslaco
wish
Mayor
everybody,
Adrian Gonzalez
a
preaches
great
it
season,
as he addresses the room.
And it all starts with all of us here being united as one.
It just makes a whole district bonding. It makes it for the whole Weslaco, and it looks really good on it.
It's going to be a great celebration.
The event is sponsored by the city to promote sportsmanship. It's been 7 years since we last experienced the big game. Weslaco High head coach Roy Stroman, always with wise, inspirational words, lets the players know it starts with him and new East head coach Carlos Cuellar.
All right? This is not about we are Weslaco. This is not about East Side, strong side. It's not about that. It's about earn the hunt and build to win.
At the end of the day, we're a family. We come from the same city, and after the game, it's cheering each other on.
Because you're going to have about...
When Coach Cuellar takes the mic, he talks about showcasing our Weslaco ISD athletes with skill and class.
At the end of the day, we're not only preparing our athletes for a sport, we're preparing our athletes for life.
It is going to be a competition the first game, you know. Our team's going to go for our team, and then High's going to go for theirs. But at the end of the day, it's a game, and we just move on game by game.
At the conclusion of the breakfast, students from both schools and administration pose for some pictures. Players then proudly smile for a portrait. Together, as one. Unity at its best. For KWest TV, I'm Mike Gonzalez.